Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today we're going to another frozen waterfall. Whoa, who could have guessed that? It's not like we've done that all the time. I don't know why, just think they're sick. I like going to them. So yeah, let's go to one. Ugh!
Sometimes my love may be put on hold. Sometimes my heart may seem awful cold.
Oh, no, go back. Go back. Yeah, I'm scared that like it's gonna break. Yeah. We need Luke's one ice pick. No point. This isn't safe, probably.
Maybe if you go really fast. Yeah.
Oh.
What's it?
Dang, it's cool. It's like so we came to the second waterfall. Not much better than the first. I mean, it is better, bigger, but it's still cold, and I really have to use the bathroom. No, we're not going up those.
Okay, it's easy to pull. Yeah, join crowd, let's go. Yeah. Oh my gosh, so if I jump off this.
Yeah, and you slip here. But no.
No, you're gonna fall.
How, well, yeah, because you're not. Yeah. That one is actually on the path.
Did you step right there? Into that hole? Step right in it.
No, okay, it wasn't a hole when it wasn't a hole when I stepped on it.
So you made the hole.
Yeah. My foot is gonna get really cold in a couple of minutes.
Oh, you have to get wet?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's not much room.
Yeah, it's really tiny. Is it warm?
Not really. Yeah. Okay, so we're leaving now. The cave was not that cool, but it's really cold.
All she needed was some. 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 At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more 5.